Great sounds. Why not? There we go, now we're actually told to go there. Now what are those weird pictures you're showing? What are those pictures? Do I have to go back to see them? Come on. Oh. Well, that sucks. Now let me guess, I can't even get through that gate anymore. Oh, I can get through. That's nice. There's those. And there go the pictures, as soon as I point them out. What's that for? Great sounds. That's all I'm going to say through this entire thing. Great sound, great looks, great music, that counts as sounds. There we go. Is there anything over here? No. Not even hitboxes, wow. Okay. I broke the game already. I didn't break it, but I found something I'm not supposed to do. Why am I so good at that? Just randomly finding things that I'm not supposed to find. Well, that's fun. Oh yeah, food. That's important. Water's also important. Why don't you need water in most games? Did I just say portent instead of important? What about exportant? Or aportant? What am I saying? I don't know. Why don't I play this game more? This is fun. This game sucks. Oh my goodness, I'm terrible at this game. Hey. Oh, I got one. Straight in the hole. I have no idea when I'll end this video, so I'll just keep going. I'll figure it out later. That will never get old. It's going to be satisfying every time that happens. What's that flipping music? Come on. Where is it? I was looking forward to that. Ha. You stuck? I think I actually pinned that one down with the stick. Oh no. Ha. They're properly stuck. Imagine if I could kill a blue lizard with a rock. A bunch of sticks. I'm doing this now. This is a thing. So all the rocks gone. There we go. Ha. Is it actually dead? I think so. Oh, yeah. I did that. And you can't eat them? Really? There we go. I have just remembered how much this place really annoys me. Especially when you fall down all of the big pits. And I do that a lot. Really? There we go. Map. I'm not going down that bottom way. I've been down there too many times and it's not fun. Well, the top way isn't that fun either. Could you make up your mind? And those two other ones are making up their minds for it. And also for me. This is not a good idea with that white lizard there. Those are the worst ones. That I've encountered so far. I know I'm going to find a worse one. Where are you going? Okay, one... Uh-oh. Go on. Oh. Half of this is just going to be me going from one place saying, no, that's a bad idea, and going to another one. And then going back, because that other place was also a bad idea. Ah. Oh. And that's why those circles are valuable. Why did you drop it? Take it. Thank you. I missed. Oh, that's why the music's picking up. Deathbird. Yeah, I never liked pigeons. Oh, it's coming back, isn't it? Yep. There we go. What are you doing? Tracking your face across the floor? What are you? Again? Really? Deathbirds, that's why I'm not going up here. That's also why I can't get through here. Vultures, deathbirds, whatever. Deathbird sounds better. Well, no, vulture sounds better, but deathbird is more fun to say. Oh yeah, I did that. Forgot I did that up there. And it isn't a problem. What are those weird things under those symbols?